Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia device to CUBOT Max free. First of all, you need to access Play Store on both devices and install free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, just open it. Now, in order to continue, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both smartphones. Then choose Send on Nokia and Receive on CUBOT. From here, you need to tap on all of those type of dots, and when you're ready, select Send. This way you will select all of those files and then transfer them. It will take a long time to do it now, so I will go with only one photo. Just for example, choose Send and click on Get It. Now on CUBOT, click on Yes, I agree or No thanks and close this window. As you can see from here, we have the connection ways. We can scan this QR code by choosing this scanning icon, clicking on while using the app or only this time, and pointing CUBOT's camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here instead and click on this Receive button. Now, after a while, as you can see, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!